Right now, 5 o'clock, Colorado lawmakers again vote against a bill that is designed to keep some suspects of violent crimes behind bars as they await trial. Supporters of the bill fear that suspects could commit more crimes while out on personal recognizance bonds. Good evening, I'm Karen Lee.
And I'm Michael Spencer. Thanks for joining us. Your political specialist, Sean Boyd, joins us live in studio tonight.
And Sean, you've reported on this, of course, in the past, how some criminals continue to hurt people while they're awaiting a court date for a previous criminal charge.
Right. The bill is directed at repeat violent offenders. It would require judges to set monetary bonds for those individuals instead of releasing them on personal recognizance or PR bonds, which is essentially a promise by the defendant to return for his or her next court appearance. Supporters say in too many cases, those individuals go on to commit even worse crimes.
How many people are going to have to die for you guys to decide to do something?
Alex Cabriellis told the House Judiciary Committee his sister's killer had been released on a PR bond for 6 gun-related crimes before he killed her over a fender bender in Denver.
He then jumped out of the car with a loaded AR-15 rifle and blew my sister's head off. He shot 15 to 20 rounds. My sister had a 6-year-old son. How many kids like that are going to have to suffer for you guys to actually put, differences aside?
Cabriellis' story is hardly isolated.
It was the worst day of my life.
Marius Suffian told lawmakers he still lives in fear of the man who brutally beat him, a man with a long criminal history who is now out on bond.
Even today, I feel nervous knowing Derek is out there and he can attack me again.
Suffian and Cabriellis pleaded with lawmakers to pass a bill by Representatives Gabe Evans and Shannon Byrd that would require judges to set monetary bonds for defendants charged with violent crimes if they've been convicted of a violent crime or charged with 2 or more violent crimes within 2 years, unless a district attorney agreed to a PR bond.
Because what we're saying is that we're going to subject the discretion of the judge to the advocacy aims of the district attorney.
Opponents say judges use risk assessment tools based on objective criteria when setting bond. By requiring monetary bond only, they say the bill would simply ensure poor people, not dangerous people, remain behind bars.
They're presuming the PR bond caused the violation of the law. The person could have posted a $1,000 bond and still possessed the gun.
This bill is about human lives. It's not about socioeconomic inequity. PR bonds, they kill innocent people. My sister was one of them.
Opponents say other states are moving away from monetary bonds altogether because they're unfair, and the bill, they warn, could lead to more crime by keeping defendants in jail while they await trial, causing them to lose jobs and housing. The bill, which did have bipartisan sponsors in both chambers, failed by a vote of 7-4. It is the second such bill to fail in as many years. The other bill in 2022 came after my series of reports that I did on repeat violent offenders being released on these PR bonds, sometimes for as little as $1 or $2.
Well, thank you for your coverage on this, Sean. Appreciate it.